Good night, teacher and classmates. My name is Adonis Tovar. I am psychology student at the Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia, UNAD. This presentation was developed for the course research seminar. The title of my reviewed article is Strengthening Self-Esteem in Sixth Grade Students. This research analyzes the scientific producer relates to strengthening self-esteem in middle school students from a documentary reviews. Self-esteem is fundamental factor in adolescent development because it influences emotions, well-being, academic performance, and in the personal relation many and students experience insecurity, low self-confidence, and emotional difficulty that affect their results and social interaction. The objective of this reviewed article was to analyze scientific studies focused on self-esteem, socio-emotions, skill, emotional education, and psychology intervention and education contents. The methodology used in this research was a killer documentary reviews featuring scientific articles published within 2020 and 21 analysis for academic debaters of share Reddit, Dialnet, Edx, Google Scholar, Science Direct. The things show that psychoeducational strategies, emotions, support, and socio-emotional education possible strengthening student self-esteem and short consistence. The review was demonstrate that emotional education helps students improve emotional regulation, emotional communication, skill, empathy, resilience, and self-confidence. Another important thing is that short but document role proactive spaces that promotes mental health, inclusive emotions, well-being, and academic development. Uh, Another important thing shows play fundamental role proactive space as promote mental health, inclusion, emotional well-being, and academic development. In addition, the studios held that family participation and positive choice environments contributes significantly to adolescent self-esteem. From a critical perspective, uh, it is necessary for the strengthening permanent social intervention programs in the vulnerable education context because my students continue to face emotional and social difficulties. And in conclusion, this documentary revealed a Jower who should understand that the training cells strength is essential for the integral development of six grounded students and for improving the, their emotional, social, and academic well-being. Thank you for your attention. Infographic.